Hello, today I'm in Nissan Leaf. In this video I'll show you where is the interior fuse box. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the car and make sure that the car door are open. Now, prepare something thin and sharp, because you have to put it right here in this hole and pull. For example, it can be the car manual key. Once it's done, you can simply pull it out and the interior fuse box is right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.